What is up, everybody? It is me, Ghost. Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video, guys. Basically, guys, today I want to show you guys how to make a awesome, cool Fortnite banner of your favorite skin on Fortnite, you guys. So let's get straight to it. No, none of that stuff. Let's just get into this video, guys. Here we go, guys. So I want to keep this video nice, simple, and easy, you guys. So I just want to let you guys know I do have plugins on my Paint on Net, and everything here is completely free. Everything, yeah, like none of this software and stuff, you guys, cost money. So that's a plus, you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys how to make this. So you guys can choose a background first, you guys. So I chose retail row, you guys. So we're gonna copy this image, you guys. You guys can choose tilted. You guys can choose any place you want if you guys find a cool view of the place. I chose retail row. You guys can choose retail row. You guys can choose whatever you guys want. It is up to you guys. So I put this. That's what I put, and I officially got what I wanted. So we're gonna put it behind, because the background, this is gonna be removed, you guys. So it looks a full cool image, and we're gonna paste this just right in, you guys. So I'm gonna do shift, and we're just gonna do that. There you go. Looks pretty dope. And then we're gonna get after that, you guys, we're gonna get a gradient, okay? So we're gonna add a new layer here. We're gonna do our gradient here. And this side's a little intense. But something that's a little less intense, like that. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. So we're gonna do a cool gradient to go over it, you guys. This looks pretty cool. So we're gonna do multiply. That looks pretty cool, you guys. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, I want that. I want that. You guys don't have to rename them. This is a lot of your choice. You guys do not have to do black and red. You guys can do blue and red. You guys can do any single color combination you guys want. It's honestly up to you guys. You guys choose what you guys want to do. All right. So, you guys want to do this. I don't probably pronounce that, but you guys want to do this type of gradient. And there you guys go. It looks pretty cool so far, but it's gonna get even cooler, you guys. So you guys want to merge them down like this, and then you guys want to do what is it, under blurs? You guys can do any single blur you guys want, okay? And I don't honestly, I do not know which blur I want to do, you guys. I'll be with you guys when I have my blur, okay? Alright, guys. So as you guys see, the image is kind of pixely, so with the blur will definitely help it out. So I did choose what blur I do want. I do want the average blur, 6. Yeah, looks good. Alright, guys, so that looks pretty good. That looks really good, actually. So we're gonna do a new layer, and we're gonna I chose Burbank. This is the font that's Fortnite, you guys. I might have a download in the description. It's not mine. This font is not mine, you guys. It's the Fortnite font that they used for the game. I think they just put a little text on there, but we're gonna make our text white. Alright, so we're gonna put our names, and I'm just gonna put name in all capitals for you guys. And you guys just remember this template is downloaded in the description below. Alright, guys, so there we go. We got this, and then we're gonna add another layer and just type it out with the red. Okay, and we'll do this. Okay, that was an accident. And we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do right below like that. Okay, so we're gonna merge it down together, you guys. We're gonna get a cool drop shadow, you guys. That looks good. It looks really good. All right, so we're gonna do that. That looks really dope. And I think we should add some cool stuff to this, just to make it look a little bit better there. So we're gonna center both with center object align, which you might not have. Okay, so just let you guys know. I'm just informing you guys. So that looks pretty good, but we're gonna add something that's even better, you guys. For this color scheme, black and red, there's a skin that matches perfectly with it, as being the Red Knight, you guys. So we're gonna copy the image. We're gonna add it into the Fortnite banner. We're gonna make it a little smaller there. That looks good. We're gonna put it under this thing right here. We're gonna center it though. There we go. We're gonna center it. I should have centered horizontally, and then not vertically. Okay, there we go. So that's exactly how it should be. Everything's centered, you guys. And we're gonna add a cool drop shadow to this too. You guys do not have to exactly follow this episode. This is all also on your guys's. You guys can choose. And I think this looks pretty awesome, you guys. Like, you guys can add your social medias if you guys want. You guys can go with the theme of yours. Maybe it's blue and black. Maybe it's white and blue. Maybe it's purple and pink. Maybe it's red and blue. Maybe it's blue and green and stuff like that, you guys. So I chose, you know, black and red just for this example. All right. So I think this is a really cool banner so far, you guys. So we're gonna put our social medias on here, you guys. I'm not gonna put actual mine, but you guys, this is your guys' choice if you guys want social medias. If you do not, and you guys can skip to the thing right now if you guys do not want any social medias. Just skip to there, and I'll show you guys how to get social media. So you guys can go to, like, I think you guys know this. So you can go like Twitter logo. PNG, maybe like that, and you can just make it red and add it. It's pretty easy. I'm just gonna add Twitter guys just for an example, and you guys, we're gonna make this red. Okay, I accidentally did not. Okay, bruh. We're gonna hold shift. This is a good size. And you guys know you can just do like a drop shadow onto the Twitter. And you know, you can turn the blur radius and stuff like that down. And then, you know, after that, like, I'm not putting this down, like, I'm not putting too much work. You guys can do the same thing you did with name. Alright, but just with this, which I'll put, you guys just make it a smaller amount. And then you can do it again with red. You guys can do drop shadow after that. It's pretty easy. You can do this Instagram, Facebook, anything you guys want. And you guys know you can just drop shadow. It's pretty easy. Okay, there we go. So I do not want it. So this looks really cool, you guys. So we're gonna end off the video here. I'm just gonna show you guys how to save it, so you guys can close out the background. There you guys go. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and you guys can just save it by gonna file, save as, and then doing it to your desktop or whatever. And I'll be with you guys when we're done. Here we go. Oh, you guys, I forgot to mention. Oh, wait, hold up. I forgot to mention, you guys can also transfer this into an icon. Which, how to do this is copy the background you had. This is easy, you guys. I'll just show you guys how to do this real quick. And then you do keep canvas size. You do like a cool, like, it doesn't really matter where you do it, but. And then you guys can just, merge this together. Click this. Copy it. The key canvas size, and then it looks really cool, you guys. There you go. And that's exactly how you guys do it, alright? And you guys can, you know, do centering it and stuff like that. I'll do center and just move it down a bit. Okay, that should be good. This is centered. There we go. So that's perfectly centered, and that looks really dope, you guys. So thank you guys. I was actually gonna do my outro there for you. Sorry, I'm just gonna. But we're gonna test the banner out. You guys can do the icon. I'm not gonna be doing the icon, but we're gonna test it out. And I'll be with you guys when I'm on YouTube. Alright, you guys, I am on YouTube here, and we're gonna, change it. And I'll be with you guys when I got selected. You guys, so this is what it actually looks like, you guys. It looks sick, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, you guys. I'm gonna be doing a V-Bucks giveaway at 1,000. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. You guys are all the best. See you guys later. Peace.